And good morning, Facebook. How are we this morning? Another bright and sunny day in the SimplyDiag Community Hub in sunny Cheshire. And it is sunny. Looks like we're having a good morning anyway, at least. Rain's forecast for after lunch, so never mind. So, what have we got going on today? Well, nice easy day at the hub today. Doing a bit of preparation, ready for a ride along tomorrow. And not really a lot booked in, but it's just how we like it. It means I get to spend more time in a red chair. Oh dear, yeah. So we had a good day yesterday. Saved a local minibus taxi firm a few quid, give them a bit of advice over the phone. That fixed it, so glad that helped. We had a couple of cars in to diagnose, the CX-5 with the vacuum pump problem. Morning, Sean. How are you, mate? Then we had a Ford C-Max, rear parking sensors not working. We've managed to do that with pretty much no trouble at all. Morning, Leon, how are you? And what have we got going on today? If you look behind me there on the screen, morning, Alan, how are you, mate? Let me show you, let me turn the camera around. In 28 minutes, we're going to be doing live training with the DPF doctor himself, Darren Darling. Yeah, the DPF doctor's Ask Me Anything. It's live on the training portal for DPF Doctor Network members. Morning, Martin, how are you? And it's an AMA, Ask Me Anything this morning. I think this one might be about the chemical products, the fuel treatments, the DPF treatments that Darren and I spent a lot of time test driving the other week. And awesome, Leon. Morning, Stephen, how are you, mate? Yeah, so I think it'll be about the results of that, about the result of those trials, what we found worked, what we found didn't, the strengths and the weaknesses of each product, and that will enable Darren then to better support members no matter what chemical brand they're using. So I think it's predominantly about that, but it's an AMA, so ask him anything. Ask him what colour his socks are. Morning, Danny, how are you, mate? Well, Martin, you need to book it in, mate. It'll not get fixed just talking about it on Facebook. Get it booked in with me, mate. So, yeah, I'm really excited for that. And we get to find out what brand of products is going on Darren's top shelf. So that'll be really cool, that will. Yeah. So, yeah, that's basically what we're going to do. So I'm going to stand there drinking coffee, or I might even be sat in the red chair. Because if I sit here in the chair, let me show you. Put it on the screen, I can watch it from here and hear it, so who knows, might even do that. Yeah, so, oh, there you go, we got a new battery as well, sorted, nice one, mate. Like I say, you know where I am, come pop down, mate. Morning, Andrew, how are you, mate? Yeah, I really love Thursdays, I really do. Nice easy day today. Like I say, we've got, I think it's Stuart's coming along for a ride along tomorrow. So we're going to make sure we've got plenty of stuff for him to see and do, make sure everything's updated and ready to rock and roll, nice and clean. And we'll get on with, as Andrew would say, the business of doing diagnostics. Aye, yeah, awesome. So without further ado, I won't keep you anymore. If it's your birthday today, happy birthday. If it was your birthday yesterday and I missed it, happy birthday for yesterday. If it's your birthday tomorrow, Chippy Friday, happy birthday for tomorrow. Hey, listen, have an awesome Thursday. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.